नमस्ते। हरि ओम तत्सत। हरि ओम तत्सत। हरि ओम तत्सत। हम आज क्या सीखेंगे कि स्पाइन को कैसे केयर करते हैं। चेयर के साथ हम सीख रहे हैं। आप डाइनिंग टेबल का भी प्रयोग कर सकते हैं अपने मम्मी को, पापा को, दोस्तों को, जिनको भी ये सीक्वेंस सिखाना है। आप हमारे लिंक को दे सकते। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप अपने लेफ्ट हाथ को राइट चेयर के हैंडल को पकड़ेंगे एंड रेज योर राइट हैंड अप. Lateral stretch, which we are doing it, holding here. This position is similar to Malasana. We do the same asana sitting in Malasana. Extend the hand, hold, keep stretching up. 3, 4 and 5. Inhaling, come back. Cross your hands and hold the chair. Crossing your hand and hold the chair. Cross the hand, hold the chair. Lift the chest up. 1. You can drop the head back. 2. 3. Chest is opening. Shoulder blades are also going away. 3, 4, 5. From here, rounding the spine. Bring your head between your arms. Hold. Keep holding the chair. 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. Inhale. Open the chest. 1. Anything when there is a opening of the chest and closing of your chest, it will give you relaxation to your spine. So expansion is inhalation. When you contracting your back of the chest, it is exhale. Exhale and round. Chin to chest. Identify that if you are bending your elbow to the sideways, how are you feeling it? And if it is straight, what is the feeling? If you are bending, what happens? And if it is straight, what is happening? Inhale and come back. Now, taking the other hand up, raise it. Your left hand is up. The left side of the body is stretching. 1. What we are not doing it, we are not holding the chair like this. Yes. Bend this elbow. 2. A very nice stretch, a curve, the C curve. Keep lifting it up higher. 3, 4 and 5. Inhaling, come back, exhale. Again, cross the hands. What do you want to choose? Elbow bending or straight?
I want to go straight.
Okay.
It makes me more relaxed.
Okay.
If I do this, there is some restriction. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं बनेगा.
जिनको जो अच्छा लग रहा है वो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Chest is opening. Exhaling round. This time straighten the hands and see how it is. 1, shifting back. 2, not with your butt, with your body. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, lift the chest, open the chest, lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time bending your elbow to the sideways and exhale, fold forward. 1, 2, elbow bending sideways, getting your head downward. 2, 3, 4, 5. The last, inhale and open the chest. You see that your hands are crossed and you are holding the chair. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, rounding the spine, the hands are straight at your elbows and shift back. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, inhale, come back. Now standing upright. Go close to the wall. Go close to the wall and turn the chair. Turn the chair. Turn the chair. You be closer to the wall. Place your foot, your half foot ahead. Place your foot away from the wall, half foot. Then from here, you shift your upper part of the body away and check your butt. If you want to shift one more step or a smaller step, do that. Now placing both the palms, lift the chest up. Inhale, lift, chin is up. Ardha Utthana Asana against the wall without losing your butt from the wall. Check the foot. Check your foot, all of you. Check your foot alignment. Heel and foot engaged. Press the root of the palm. Keep moving your chin up. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling, shift the chair further forward for the forward fold. Butt is against the wall. The foot is slightly forward. Engaging the legs. Keep your legs engaged and fold forward parallel to the ground or slightly up. Move your chair away. Move the tailbone close to the wall. The hands are stretching forward. The tailbone is stretching back and upward as mentioned in the first class of the spinal care. We have mentioned you the energy to the torso has to go towards the head, and the energy from the lower back, it has to move to the glutes and the hamstring, calf muscles and to the ground towards the foot. And both the direction of the energy, it is moving in opposite direction. Now open up your palms, spread the fingers wider. Open up your palms and spread the fingers wider. Stretch the fingers wide apart. This, when you spread the fingers wider, the energy is moving from the central hands and it is moving towards the shoulder blades and it will reach and meet to your spinal cord. Do not sink your head, please. You keep your head between your arms and you are not sinking the head down. Keep looking forward and up. 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, raise the heel. Raise your heel. Tailbone up. 1. Head up. 3. Sink down. Head up. Tailbone up. 3 actions together. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Inhale and stand upright. Bring the chair closer to you. Without too much of movement. See that you are moving less. Yeah, keep the buttock there and taking the left foot straight in a line, lift the right leg and place it on the chair. Right heel on the chair. Yes. How much the chair has to come close to you so that your both the hands are holding the handle of the chair. The buttock is closed. Lift the chest up. Spine is erect, tall. बहुत ज़्यादा चेयर दूर रहेगा तो आप अपने ऊपर वाले भाग से कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करके नीचे झुक जाएंगे. वैसे नहीं करेंगे. See that your legs are active. Kick heel, flex the foot and the foot is not sideways. It is completely straight and parallel against the front wall. Spread the toes wide apart. Again, the circulation of the blood will go up and it will hit your lower back and the spinal cord. It will reach till the center of the head. Close your eyes and feel it. Exhale, flex your elbows outward to fold down if possible without bending the knee. Otherwise, you stay in the previous first position. Don't give the stress on the shoulder. Keep the shoulders away. Shoulders away. Chin up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, raise the trunk up. From here, the left palm will shift to the right and raise the right hand up against the wall, placing the palm against the wall to open up the chest. 1. Take the wall support, use the palm to open the shoulder. 2, 3, and left foot is slightly away from your wall. 6, good. A lateral at the same time twist. Lateral stretch and twist are the great friend. बहुत बड़ा दोस्ती है स्पाइन का. Inhaling and come back. Exhale, release. All well? Take the right leg down. Go into Tadasana position with your raised heels. You need the chair to hold it, you can. Otherwise, you roll the shoulders and get into the pledge position. Hold here. Roll the shoulders, stick the shoulders to the wall, the chest is opening, the navel is going in, the heels are up, elbow, wrist, palm in one straight line, shoulder and elbow in another straight line. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release. स्पाइनल केयर के लिए वॉल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वॉल के सपोर्ट से आप अपने शोल्डर को समझ पाते हैं, अलाइनमेंट को समझ पाते हैं और आपको एक बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट मिलता है. राइट लेग को थोड़ा आगे रखेंगे और फिर पीछे दबाते हुए अपने लेफ्ट फुट को ऊपर उठाएंगे. एक हाथ से चेयर पकड़िए और दूसरे हाथ से अपने फुट को डालिए. अब यहाँ से शिफ्ट करेंगे. शिफ्ट करते हुए चिन को ऊपर करेंगे. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड कहाँ से शुरुआत होती है? मैंने पहले क्लास में आप लोगों को बताया था. सर्वाइकल, नेक, पूरा स्पाइन है. ब्रीदिंग इन. यदि लोअर बैक में आपको पेन है तो कभी ना कभी आपके मिडल बैक में और सर्वाइकल स्पाइन में ज़रूर पेन आएगा. इट्स नॉट एट वन पार्ट ऑफ द स्पाइन विल गेट डैमेज, होल स्पाइन विल गेट डैमेज. और स्पाइन डैमेज हो गया तो लेग्स में पेन चला जाएगा और हाथ में पेन चला जाएगा. ब्रीद इन and breathing out, folding forward. जिनको नी में पेन है वो सॉफ्टली नी को बेंड करेंगे और स्टैंडिंग आसनास यदि नहीं कर पाते हैं तो आप 2 चेयर के साथ इसको करेंगे. एक चेयर पे बैठेंगे और दूसरे चेयर पे पैर रेज करेंगे. लास्ट 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. यहाँ से लैटरल एंड ट्विस्ट स्ट्रेच. तो आपका राइट पाम जो है लेफ्ट साइड आएगा. बॉडी लूज मत कीजिए. आसनास के दौरान एक्टिव रखिए. धीरे धीरे हाथों को ऊपर की तरफ. वॉल के सपोर्ट से आप चेस्ट जितना खोल सकते हैं खोलिए उसको. ब्रीद इन एंड ब्रीद आउट. किसी भी जॉइंट्स में पेन होना, आपका जो स्पाइन है वो भी सेवरल जॉइंट्स से मिला हुआ है. डिस्क से जुड़ते हैं, वर्टिब्रे उसमें मिलते हैं. पेट का प्रॉब्लम ज़रूर है तभी आपके स्पाइन में प्रॉब्लम आती है. पेट में एक बर्डन क्रिएट हो जाता है, कॉन्स्टिपेशन होता है. तो खाने का भी आप ध्यान रखेंगे. फाइबर लेंगे, चबा चबा के खाएंगे. खाने के बाद वज्रासना में बैठेंगे. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhaling, come back. exhale and release. Take the leg out. यहाँ से आप बैक बेंडिंग करेंगे. जब आप बैक बेंडिंग करेंगे, 1 मिनट सर. जब आप बैक बेंडिंग करेंगे तो दोनों पैरों को चेयर के डिस्टेंस के बराबर रखेंगे और अपने अंगूठे को लेके जाएंगे. अंगूठा और जो सेकंड वाला जो टो है, यहाँ से आप अपने थाई जॉइंट को यहाँ टच करिए और शोल्डर को रोल कीजिए. फिर आप हेड को वॉल की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. यदि बहुत दूर है और काफ़ी आपको प्रेशर आ रहा है तो पीछे शिफ्ट करेंगे. चेस्ट ओपन होना है और लोअर बैक पे कोई प्रेशर नहीं आना है. चेस्ट ओपन होगा, लोअर बैक पे कोई प्रेशर नहीं आएगा. अपर चेस्ट खुलेगा, रिब केज ओपन होगा, लोअर बैक के ऊपर कोई प्रेशर नहीं आएगा. लेग्स नीचे की तरफ है, नेवल आगे की तरफ है. शिफ्ट करते हुए हेड का सेंट्रल पार्ट इज अटैच्ड टू द वॉल. Shift the navel forward. Inhale and come back. Exhale, release. हम बैक बेंडिंग तो करते हैं और हमें लगता भी है कि बैक बेंडिंग बहुत अच्छा है, पर बैक बेंडिंग में यदि आपने बर्डन क्रिएट किया लोअर बैक में तो कंप्रेशन और बढ़ जाएगा. बैक बेंडिंग कैसे करना है? एक लंबा सी, बड़ा सी बनाना है. बड़ा सी बनाने के लिए आपके बॉडी को ऊपर जाना है. ऊपर जा कर के आपके रिब्स और चेस्ट खुलने और ये करना है. हम ये नहीं करते. क्लियर? साइड अप स्ट्रेच करेंगे. आप दोनों पैरों को राइट साइड का स्ट्रेच करना है. पहले राइट साइड का स्ट्रेच करना है. दोनों पैरों को आप राइट की तरफ टर्न कीजिए और लेफ्ट हाथ से चेयर पकड़िए. होल्ड द चेयर विद द लेफ्ट हैंड. यस, यू कैन. नाउ फ्रॉम योर raise this right hand up against the wall. Walk your feet further closed. Again further closed. Yeah. अपने हिप को वॉल से दूर ना करेंगे, दूर नहीं करेंगे. Now this hand will keep stretching up and has to go out without moving the hip away from the wall. Start exhaling. Yeah, holding here. 1. Guidelines है ये. Hip attached to the wall. 2. रितेश सर ने बहुत ही अच्छा अटेम्प्ट बैठ के किया है. 3. जो खड़े होके नहीं कर सकते हैं वो बैठिए. 4. 5. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, release. Inhale, come back. Even in this position, you are doing one mistake is you are doing this by bending this elbow. Keep this elbow up, up. See? Inhale, come back. Exhale, change the side. Attaching the hip, did it find the right guide? Yes. Check your legs. Extend the hand, tall and tall, up. Keep moving up. Breathe in. Breathing out, find the lateral twist, lateral bend. Ekam, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, release, relaxed. Now from here, we are moving into some sitting asanas. आपको चेयर घुमा के और वॉल की तरफ रखना है, बैठना है वॉल की तरफ. अपने राइट लेग को वॉल के अगेंस्ट डाल के मूव द स्पाइन अवे फ्रॉम द चेयर, इंटरलेस द फिंगर्स, पुट इट बैक ऑफ योर थाइज. Sir, turn. Come this side, come close. So, I'm just taking the support of sir to show you. And hold it like this. Lift the chest up. And how is your left leg? Left knee and left ankle is in one straight line with no burden. Holding here, see. If it is stressed, then softly bend. कितना ऊपर लेके जाना है आपका बॉडी आपको बता देगा. Yeah. Sitting on the chair. जैसा कि हमने बताया आपको कि हैमस्ट्रिंग स्ट्रेच बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है to take the spinal burden or spinal pain. So now you are practicing the spine hamstring stretch. So taking your right foot against the wall and placing both the hands with interlaced fingers below your thighs, below your upper thighs or the knee, wherever you feel comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, leave the wall and lift, bend the knee, lift the heel. Leaving the wall, hugging the thighs close to your stomach, holding there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place the foot on the seat of the chair and hug your knee. How we do Pavan Muktasana on the floor? The same. Hug the knee tightly with your arms, with your elbows. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, all of you sit to the side of the chair by, you turn the head and look at me. See that your handle is coming to the right side, your right side. After this, extend the left hand and hug this knee. Take this right hand back to the chair. I have a wall, and if you turn your chair as me, you will get a wall, and that will be the most conducive movement for twist and chest and the spine. Yeah. See how to first, all of you stand upright. You put your chair to the side way. Away, almost a mat distance away. Now, your handle should come to your right hand side. And when you are sitting, the right leg is close to this. I am a mirror image for you. So listen to the right and left and do the right side. Your right leg is and right handle is close. From here, bend the right knee, hug it, extend the left hand forward, push inside, lock it, hold, have breath, breathe in, extend the right hand forward, take the wall, walk your tip of the fingers, keep opening. Working well? Yes. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, release. Change the chair and then sit again. Left leg handle close by. Will wait. Take this foot, hold, extend, support here. If you are not able to hold with your hand, then take a dupatta or a belt. Pull out 1. Lift the spine. If the knee is bending, that's okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything which you can use it. Double this so that you are flexing it. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend. 1. Press the stomach. I said, right, constipation is going to disturb the spine. So we are removing the gas. At the same time, you are working on the hamstring. Place it. Then we'll do a twist. Before we go into twist, you are working on Pavan Muktasana. Press to lift. Lift the chest. Now see, I am using my mind where my body will be more activated, so I raised my foot here. So you can also do that if possible. If not, then keep it here. But go up. Now from here the opposite hand will come forward. Opposite hand, extend, hug. Once it is completely twisted from the stomach, then take your left hand forward and back. Use the tip of the fingers to keep walking against the wall. Breathing in, so. Acha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, release. Slowly relaxed. Now test. Test. You can turn the foot, turn the chair. Kick the heel and raise the leg. Why I said test? See that your thighs are getting parallel. Extend the hand. 2. If you have a strong legs, then you can hold it. Otherwise, you will feel shaky. That means you have to work on the strength of your legs. If it is not coming parallel, then again it means that your hamstring is not working. Exhale and release. But to start with, yes, if it is lower also, then go slightly forward and be here. Not necessary, it will come here. Okay? Change. Left. Kick the heel, flexed, flexed. Keep lifting it up. 1, 2, 3. Once it is parallel, you can extend the hand. Toes are flexed. Very important, you use your toes to be wider apart. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. Now, hold behind, open up the chest, take your both the legs forward, nicely grip it, Angushta and this locked. And anyone who is using the dining chair at home, you see what you can hold. Now from here, lift the lower back and shift forward, shift forward, shift forward. Yes. Then drop the head. Hold. Lift. 10. Lift the lower back. Lift the lower back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release. There are two things which brings pain. One is you are not moving, you are keeping still the body, so the circulation is not going. That means you are creating your body parts as pond. Right or wrong? If you are moving the body, then you are bringing river to your body. What is river? River is pure circulation. So if you circulate your blood in all the directions, your body will be pure. There will be no pain. So our problem is the blood is not moving. So what we have to do is we have to bring blood to that area. This is one. Second, anything which is coming in between for the stiffness or bringing stiffness to the body, leave all those things, delete. Excess protein will create stiffness. Too much of munching will create stiffness. See the things which have more number of water that you have to eat. पानी और मिट्टी मिलाने के बाद कैसा होता है? स्टिफ होता है या लूज होता है? और बिना पानी का कोई चीज़ बना होता है तो कैसा होता है? स्टिफ होता है. तो जितनी सूखी चीज़ें खाएंगे आप स्टिफ बनेंगे, जितनी सॉफ्ट चीज़ें खाएंगे उतना फ्लेक्सिबल बनेंगे. सिंपल है. कमिंग इनटू पर्वतासना. अपने चेयर को लगाइए वॉल से. और माउंटेन की पोजीशन में जाने के लिए दोनों हाथों से आपको चेयर के साइड को पकड़ना है और हील्स को उठाइए. रेज योर हील्स, शिफ्ट द बॉडी वेट बैक एंड अप. होल्ड हियर. 1, sir, attached to the wall. 2, 3, 4, हील्स उठाना है, टेल बोन उठाना है, बॉडी को पीछे शिफ्ट करना है ऊपर की तरफ. और फिर आपको लगे कि हील्स दबा सकते हैं तो प्रेस द हील्स एंड फ्लेक्स द टोज. टोज को ऊपर उठा लीजिए. बॉडी का वेट इनर फीट की तरफ. बॉडी का वेट इनर फीट की तरफ. यदि आप हील्स को नीचे प्रेस कर रहे हैं तो टेक द बॉडी वेट टू द इनर फीट. आप देख सकते हैं कि हैमस्ट्रिंग के साथ साथ स्पाइन भी स्ट्रेट है. Do not push your head. Coming to the strengthening position called Dandasana, shift the body weight forward. Shoulder blades are rolled downward. Shoulder and wrist in one straight line. Hold. 2, 3, 4. लोअर बैक गिराएंगे नहीं. यू आर नॉट ड्रॉपिंग द लोअर बैक. यू सक योर नेवल. 3, 4, 5. फ्रॉम हियर टेक द राइट फुट फॉरवर्ड एंड लेफ्ट फुट बैक. बोथ द लेग्स आर स्ट्रेट. एंड इफ दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग देन गेट योर लेफ्ट फुट स्लाइटली फॉरवर्ड. Straight legs. Press the root of the palm. Lift the chest up. Chin is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop the right elbow on the seat of the chair. Left palm on the waist. Rolling the left shoulder, drishti up. मुट्ठी बांध सकते हैं आप. बांधिए, प्रेस कीजिए, इस शोल्डर और ये ईयर को दूर करेंगे, राइट लेग को स्ट्रांग रखेंगे, लेफ्ट फुट को भी स्ट्रांग रखेंगे, लेफ्ट शोल्डर को रोटेट करते हुए ऊपर की तरफ देखेंगे, पीछे वाला शोल्डर ब्लेड वर्क होना चाहिए, ये वाला पीछे वाला शोल्डर ब्लेड, शोल्डर रोल करते हुए 2, आगे वाले नी को स्ट्रेट रखिए 3, 4 और धीरे धीरे हाथ, इफ दिस palm goes to the inner thigh you can take it, 3, if not then just keep moving it wherever it goes, that's okay, 5, 6, 7, inhaling, come back, exhale. Now both elbow on the seat of the chair, bend the right knee, keep the left leg strong and heel dropped on the floor. Sir, Nalin sir, drop your back heel, heel, press the heel, hold. Shift the right knee forward and do not lift the left foot. अपने लेफ्ट फुट को उठाइएगा मत, राइट नी को आगे की तरफ शिफ्ट करते जाइए, होल्ड, एकम। आप कौन से लेग के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं? लेफ्ट लेग के ऊपर, द्वे, त्रीणी, चत्वारि, पंच, षट्, सप्त। यहाँ से आप अपने पीछे वाले हील को ऊपर उठाएंगे, कम ऑन द लेफ्ट टोज, लेफ्ट एल्बो नीचे रहेगा और राइट हाथ ऊपर जाएगा, गेट योर राइट हैंड अप, 1, left shoulder and left ear away, 2, a twist and strong legs, 3, 4, 5, exhale, go back, Dandasana position, both the legs back. Since this is third day of spinal care, we are also giving you a more strengthening asana. Shoulder blade wide apart, shoulder blade wide apart, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling, left foot forward. Right foot slight forward so that both the legs are placed. आपके राइट हील नीचे फ्लैट दबे होने चाहिए, काफ मसल्स को पीछे की तरफ शिफ्ट कीजिए, पैरों को अच्छी तरीके से फिक्स करते हुए, दोनों नी स्ट्रेट, both the knees are straight, lift the chest up, chin up, 2, 3, 4, get your hip square, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. लेफ्ट एल्बो नीचे जाएगा और राइट हाथ राइट वेस्ट की तरफ, राइट शोल्डर को ओपन करेंगे, सीलिंग की तरफ देखेंगे, 1, 2, चेस्ट खुल रहा है, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. हाथ जितना पीछे जा सकता है आप उतना हाथ पीछे लेकर के आप अपने इनर लेफ्ट थाई को पकड़ सकते हैं। यदि नहीं हो पाता है तो सिर्फ हाथ को सेंट्रल लंबार की तरफ ले जाके छोड़ना है, होल्ड देयर, बट चेस्ट खुलेगा, एकम, द्वे, त्रीणी, चत्वारि, पंच, inhale, come back, both the hands on the chair, both your elbow on the chair, hold there, फ्रंट नी को बेंड कीजिए, पीछे वाले लेग को नहीं उठाएंगे, होल्ड, 2, शोल्डर and ears, keep it away, engage the upper shoulder, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back heel raised, right elbow remains on the chair, move the left side of the body up, 1, good, twist and extend, Spread the fingers wide. Breathe in and breathe out. Create a space between the right shoulder and the right ear. 3, 4, and 5. Inhaling, come back. Exhale. Now, from here, sit on the chair sideways. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in and breathe out. देखिए, आपको अज्यूम करना है कि इसके बीच ब्रिक्स है और आप ब्रिक्स को प्रेस कर रहे हैं. ओके, और क्विकली टेक द बोल्स्टर, गेट द बोल्स्टर. या bolster or the bricks. Give me one bolster here. Thank you. Yes. Yeah. So come forward. Yeah. And take the bolster in a vertical position without too much of movement and sound. Press the thighs. Yeah. Now roll the shoulders. Open up the chest, spread the fingers wide, keep pressing and come on your toes, raise your heels, press inside. This is I'm trying to activate your legs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhaling, release your heel. इसको प्रेस करते रहेंगे और हम यहाँ से ट्विस्ट करेंगे. Pull, pull. पुल पुल पुल. एल्बो बेंड करते हुए, पैर दबाते हुए. टेक दिस हैंड, पुश. पैर को नहीं भूलेंगे. 2, 3, 4. Press your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, release. I can see that few of you are just doing this. You have to keep pressing it and also exhale, also twist. Exhalation and twisting. If you are inhaling and twisting, you are locking the space. Change the side. Breathing in and breathe out. Again, working on the activity of engagement of your legs. Press the bolster to raise your heels and balance on the toes. Bhujangasana, position of your chest and your hands. Follow the instructions, class. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here you will find a twist. Pull with the right hand and push with the left hand. You can release your heels slowly on the floor, but keep pressing with the knees and the feet. Twist, exhale. Twist, exhale. Exhale, twist. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, release. Take this bolster. Place it on it and lift this navel up. So, creating a space and then place it. From here, get your elbow. In Namaskara Mudra. आपका शोल्डर ऐसे नहीं रहेगा, ऐसे, यस. होल्ड. 1 2 3 4 5. You are pressing your stomach so that the constipation will also go. At the same time, where the compression has to go, where the engagement has to come, you will learn that. 5 6 7 8. Slowly widen your legs, widen the legs, catch the ankle or your calf muscles. Keep lifting the chest up. Widen your legs. 2. Drop the head. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, sit down on the chair. Breathing in. समझ आ रहा है कि कितना मन लगा के करते हैं और कितना चीज़ें मिस करते हैं क्लास में? हाँ? Breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in, breathe out. Take this bolster. Now, at your top, stretch up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Twisting at your right, to the right. 1 2 3 4 5. Center. 1 2. Wait. Center. 3 4 5. Forward. 1. Wait. Forward. 2 3. Hold like this. 5 6 7 8 9. Left, center. 1 2 3. Take it back. 4 5 6 7. Center. Twist. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Inhaling slowly, coming back. Exhale, release, relaxed. Release the head with your elbow. You also have a choice to raise the height if you want. You can, I'm just giving you the option, you are not doing it now. You can put the blocks down and you can drop your head if the head is not going down like this. Even the relaxation is working for your spine and your ground, the pelvic area. The whole body is attached. Any sequence which we are teaching will take care of entire body. Since you have a problem and you want to take the specific name like cervical, sciatica, knee, whatever the pain is, you have to work on the entire body. Just working on the lower back by just doing few 2-3 asanas, it is very temporary. Inhale and come back. Exhale. Sit down on the bolster. turn the chair towards you. Open both the legs. Sit in such a way where you are not creating burden. Opening this butt. I'm not worried about how much legs you are able to open, but I'm worried about the spine. Once the spine is straight, suck your navel, engage the core muscles and round. Engage the core muscles and round the spine. Yes, hold. So when your core muscles are not active, you are actually creating burden when you are doing a movement. Inhale and lift the chest. Bring the chair and place the chin. Get your elbows out. Chin, yes. 2. Elbow is not downward, outward. 3, 4, 5. Exhaling the second round, round the spine. This time take your legs slightly more close, chair distance. Point the toes forward, rounding the spine. Bring the head between your arms. Anyone from cervical pain, the neck pain, maybe if you feel discomfort here, the head has to be slightly up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. You will do a twist here. Left hand is forward. Left knee. Left hand going down. Left elbow and left thigh attach. Both resisting. Catch the chair. Down, down, and open the chest. Take the hand in Ashirvad. What this right leg is doing, right foot is active. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a wall, check the wall. Open the hand. You are far right. Otherwise, it would have given you the more depth. 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, change. What we will do, we'll bend the right knee now. Take the right hand inside. Open the back chest. Get into Ashirvad. In Ashirvada, you hold for 7 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 5 counts with the wall. 1, 2, 3. Use your tip of the fingers or the palm to walk away. 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. Come back. Exhale. Sitting करा दिया, standing करा दिया, hamstring करा दिया, upper part of the body करा दिया, lower part of the body करा दिया, core exercises करा दिया. अब last में हम rest and digest के sequence करते हैं parasympathetic nervous system के लिए. And that's very important. Come down. Now when you are lying down, first your tailbone has to come down, and then you are doing this. Knees are wide apart. इससे आपका चेस्ट खुलेगा, ब्रीदिंग आपकी अच्छी होगी. So you're working on the respiratory system now. There will be more supply of the oxygen if you are creating the space to the area where the heart and lungs are present. Props are the blessing and many people think that हम पैरालाइज्ड हो जाएंगे यदि हम प्रॉप से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. बिल्कुल नहीं. आप और कॉन्फिडेंट होंगे, सेफ रहेंगे, लंबे समय तक प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और परफेक्शन के साथ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. यहाँ से आप अपने दोनों नीज को आपस में ज्वाइन करेंगे और हेड को उठाइए. लोअर बैक को यू हैव टू प्लेस इट on bolster. Straighten both the legs. If you can keep your both the legs closer, do it. Extend the hands over the head in Namaskara if you have a space, otherwise you can do a cactus hand. आप अपने लोअर बैक को बोल्स्टर के ऊपर रखिए. लोअर बैक को बोल्स्टर के ऊपर रखेंगे. दोनों हाथ कैक्टस में रखेंगे इस तरीके से. दोनों पैरों को ज्वाइन करने की कोशिश करेंगे. यदि आपके कमर में दर्द नहीं होता है तो, यदि कमर में दर्द हो तो एक पैर को बेंड कीजिए या दोनों पैरों में थोड़ा सा फासला रखेंगे. यहाँ पे आप 5 मिनट होल्ड करके या 3 मिनट होल्ड करके फिर शवासन में जाएंगे. आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू. हरि ओम तत्सत.